Doctor. How's Gordo doing?
Gordo came and found me. Obviously, I was a mistake. We're good. He doesn't have any money right now. We're gonna send Phil jewelry tomorrow on Amazon.
Cool. Might as well, right?
Yeah.
These people out.
Come by around 12 or something.
All right, cool.
We need it.
Anything is possible. Yeah.
Here comes smoke joints.
Yeah. Stir up a
Play
little.
chess.
Stir up some lively action, huh?
Are you guys allowed to play chess anywhere other than this wall?
I would hope so.
As you go over the pressure. Do you have adaptive technology going?
Oh yeah, constantly the human brain.
Whoa!
Trip on that.
Except it's a medium. It's not technology.
Yeah, it's a platform. It's all of them, kind of. Life's a fluid situation,
It's the operating system.
and semantics is half the fun. Projecting meaning, profound meaning.
Polka dance.
Thank you, Mother Earth.
Thank
Smoke Signals.
you. It's still this.
You ever heard Smoke Signals by the band?
Yes.
Great song, huh?
Yeah. Can you sing it?
Great doc. Went to see the doc recently. Get it, homies.
Hey, how are you?
Yo, good.
I think I saw that guy in my dream. They saw you in their dream, dude.
Yeah. Feelings mutual.
Haha. Mutual dream. Clairvoyant.
Dream Club. Hi to all the hip fans in Hawaii, South America. You guys are good. Checking out the stuff. Flying Elf Books. Hold that for a second, Dave. Get the jacket. Turn around the jacket. It's be on sale shortly. Ceremonial grade.
No
Ceremonial grade.
no additives or preservatives.
Organic, handmade, artisan, vintage, custom. Let's take our set. Got to keep it under 220. Good job, Dave. Kept it under 220.
When Harry met Sally.
Keep it up, guys. Support your local everything.